Look who stopped by, y'all. Say hi, Miles. Miles. Why you acting shy, Miles? Milesy Wowsy. Milesy Wowsy. Milesy Wowsy. Milesy Wowsy. All right, let me stop. He want to get down. It's your girl Grace, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial about how I put on my false lashes. So let's just jump right into it. This is going to be a really easy and quick tutorial. I already put on my lash on my left eye, and let's just do my right eye. So off camera, I put on the Maybelline, the Colossal in the shade Glam Brown. I put that on my top lashes, and then these lashes that I'm using today are from Lilly Lashes. I believe it's in the style MILF. So basically what you're gonna do when you apply your lashes is you're gonna take the lash off the packaging, and then you're gonna put the lash up to your eye and measure it. From your inner corner to your outer corner, sometimes you're gonna have to cut the lash to fit your eye. But these lashes I don't have to. I also already worn these, so I already know that. But if you do end up having to cut your lash, cut from the outer corner of your eye, because if you cut from the inner corner, it can, like, the ends can become sharp and it can scratch your eye. So the most important factor to a quick and fast, easy lash application is letting your glue dry down. So I'm gonna take my duo glue, black glue. I'm gonna just generously coat the lash band. Then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the glue on it after I finish. So it should be shiny with the glue. And then you're gonna wait anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute for the glue to dry down a little bit. I'm gonna wait. While we're waiting on the glue to dry, most people use a regular pair of tweezers. I find that this tool from Sephora helps me the best. It has the tweezer part for you to place the lash, and it also has this end piece for you to get in on the lash band and actually push it to your eyelid. Also, as far as your setup, I typically have a mirror right in front of me. This is like it's magnified ×5, and now that the lash glue is probably dry enough, I'm gonna go ahead. I look down into the mirror and I just place it. Then once I have it in the areas that I think are decent, I just take the end of this and press this in. Okay, so I hope for anybody that's intimidated by lash application that this was a helpful and useful tool for you guys. As always, I'm going to leave the details of how I did my face in the description box. Also, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new, thank you for rocking with your girl. Secondly, you know, if you just so happen to share my video with one of your other friends, then we could be friends. I'm just playing with y'all. But thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day.